Next problem, that is equal number of zeros followed by equal number of ones. Okay, whatever the zeros are there, that should be equal number of 1 also should be there in the given input string, then only it will accept. Okay, so what is the example for this? Like 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. So here 3 zeros are there and 3 ones, that means it is satisfying, correct. If it is like starting from 1 1 1 1 0 0 0, this is wrong. Even though it is equal number of zeros and ones, but when you reading the equal number of 0 here, so that should be 0, should not come 1 from the that should not come 1 in the starting, even though if it is equal number of, you can say this is equal number of ones and zeros. But when we are going to equal number of zeros and ones, so this is correct. If you go 0 0 1 1 1 2 0 3 1, this is also will not accept. Okay, so this is already we have done so many method we use on this same language, like FSM, like finite state machine, push down automata. Okay, so here now we are designing the Turing machine which recognizing the language, recognize the given language. What is our language? L is equals to 0 power n 1 power n. Okay, so let's go here and write the language. What is my language? L is equals to 0 power n 1 power n. Okay, so I am taking the input string. I am taking what example I shown you. I will take the same thing 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. Sorry, my input string is 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. So this is my string. Okay, so here in the same way we need to solve. So first what I will do, you can write here like what is a sigma. Okay, what is a sigma? To design this equal number of zeros and ones, we must have 4 state. Okay, sorry, that should be Control Z. Here I am writing Q, otherwise I will write in the different color. Q, what is my Q here? Capital A, capital B, capital C and capital D. I am taking 4 states. And what is my X? So I am going with 0 and 1, so X will be 0 1 X and Y. Sigma, what is my sigma? 0 comma 1. What is my delta? Delta is delta, like we need to perform like 0 X R. Okay, like this. So here next one is Q0. What is my Q0? Q0 is initial state is my A. And what is my blank? Blank is representing as blank. Okay, and F is representing as final state. What is my final step? Accept or reject. Clear? So this is about so we have written the tuples. Okay, we have written the tuples. Now I will take the different color, this one, and I will draw first state diagram, then it will be easy for you to solve the Turing machine problem. Okay, so the first one is, how many state we have? A, B, C, D. Okay, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, and one more will be there, that is except. Just I am writing the except here, I am not writing reject. Okay, now, so what is our equation for this? Like, the condition for this, input symbol should start with 0 only. Okay, input symbol should start with 0 only. Okay, next, from A to B, when it will go from A to B is going A to B when 0 comma x, then it's go to R. How I am writing this? The input symbol should be 0 and 0, and one more thing, in the previous example I shown you like this, 0 x comma R. Okay, this also you can write, and you can write 0 slash x comma R. These both are correct. You can write in either this way or this way. So I am going to write in this way, 0 is followed by x comma R. Okay, next one is, if it is going from A to B, A to B, then the value should be x. So here, if the A is 1, automatically it will go to reject. Okay, automatically it will go to reject, no need to go further. So I am not writing the reject, so just I am seeing the string, based on that we will complete this task. So A to B, 0 of x is R. So what is our initial tape? So my tape is, okay, so what is my input string? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, empty, like not empty, blank, and infinite. Okay, this is my tape, and this is my tape head. Okay, now I will show this. First I will draw. 0 is slash x is going to R. After that it should be repeat. It should be repeat until 0 is 0 comma R, or y comma R. I will explain this. So here it is going 1 comma y comma L, not comma slash. You can use slash, You can use slash or this symbol, doesn't matter. Next is 0 to 0 comma L, 0 to 0 comma L, y comma L, and it should go here. If it is repeating, x slash x, then go to R, y comma y, y comma y comma R, and it should repeat until and unless the y should y comma R. So y comma R, and it should be except when the empty cell is there, comma L. Okay. So this is the first one. First one is 0 slash x comma R. That means when the input string is 0, our head is 0, then change this 0 to x. Okay, change that 0 to x. Next, it's moved to the B, and next header is my here. Okay, next header is here. So if it is 0 is 0, then it move to right. Yes, it is 0, then move the head right. Are you getting my point? Is not doing any operation here, just it is checking 0 is 0, then comma, move to right again. So my header is again is here. 0 is 0, no, here the input value is 1. Y of y, no, here the 1 is there. So 1 is there, then B is 1 is there, then replace that 1 with y, 1 with y. Okay, 1 with y, and move to left, move to left. So now my header is here, it's coming from here to here, left. Now what happened here? At the left side 1 0 and the right side 1 0, it's finished. So it moved to left, then it's here in the C. If it is 0 or 0, move left. 0 is 0 only, then move left. Next, if this 0 and 0 comma L is move left, that means if it is moving left, now the value of here is not 0 anymore, here is x. So when we have the x value, x is x, okay, keep the x is x and move right, move right. Then again the same operation will perform here. A is on 0, x, so this will cut and it will display the x. Otherwise I will do one thing. Now I will draw the another tape and continue the same process, otherwise you will get confused. This is, we can say, one rotation. 1. Now second. In the second one, what is here the value? X, and what is the value here? 0, 0, y, 1, 1 and blank and so on. Okay, so this is when we go from here to here and again we reach to A, till that we got this answer. Now we will perform the operation on this. So my head is here now. If head 0 is there, then change to X and move to right. This is changed to X and move to right. So this header is moved at the right side. Okay. So I am at the B state. If it is 0, 0 on 0, yes, 0 is there. So keep it the 0 only. Keep it the 0 only and move to next state. Move to next state. Okay. Next, in the next state, I have y. Y is y. Yes. What if it is y? Then keep it in the same y only and move to right. It is also telling move to right. Now, here the input symbol is 1. So B state, if it is 1, then change the value this one to y and move left. Move left means it's coming from here to here. So I will draw from down for understanding purpose. It move here. Sorry, I think the picture was there, you did not understand the thing. Once again I will repeat here. X 0. If it is 0, then change the value to X. Okay. Next, move to right. Then here, if it is 0 on 0, yes, 0 on 0, 0 on 0, then keep it same and move to right. If it is y, like here, y of y, then move right. Yes, here the y moving right. So here it is move to next head. So here B on 1 change to y. Yes, I change to y. Then again what it is telling? Move to left. Move to left. Then again I will come back here on the C state. In the C state my head is here on the y now. If y of y, then move left. Yes, it is y. Move left. Move left. Then is 0. 0 of 0. Keep it this change with 0 only and move left. Move left. Now move left. Now this is we cancel and we added the x. So in place of this 0, the value is now x. So x is x, means whatever the x input is there, replace with the same x and move right. So our third rotation will start here. Okay, third rotation I will write here with the same color. 3. In the 3, in the tape, what are the values we have now? X, 0, y, 1, blank and so on. So this is our next rotation or next step after this. If I explain you in the same tape, then you will get confused. Because of that I am creating this. Okay. So where is my header now? My header is here. After this operation, x of x is move to right, then it go to the A and my header is on 0. So now 0 of x, yes, my value is 0 and changing this 0 to x. Next, it's my here is state is B, and in the B I need to check what is my next header. It moved to right. My next header is y. So what is my y? Y of y is replacing with the y and it's moving to right. Yes, again is y is changing with the y and moving to right. So my header is on 1. So from B on 1 is going replacing with the y and moving to left. Okay, so my header is now on y. So and here in the state diagram I am at the C. So here in the C state y is replacing with the y and moving to the left. Okay, again is y, so y is again replacing with the y only and moving at the left. So where is my header now? My header is on x. So here x on x, then move to right. So move to right means my header will be here. Okay, so what is our fourth? Here the fourth one, what is my tape now? X, 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 y, 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 then blank means infinite. Okay, fine. So where is my header now? As per the previous step, my header is here. I will change with different color. My header is here now as per the previous step. Okay, in the previous step, if I have state is here, so after this like is x comma x is replacing with the x and moving to the right. So my header is here and it is now on the A state. What is the value in the head? Below head is y. So y is y. If it is y, then move right. Yes, y is y. So is moving to right. Okay, then D. In the D, y of y is replacing with y and moving to right. Yes, here also y and replacing with y only. So my next head below value, below alphabet is y. So y on y comma r, again move next. So what is the value in the last? In the last the value is blank. So what is the use of this blank? The advantage of this blank is you will easily understand whatever the input string you have given that is finished, and this blank symbol will identify you. That means rest of the things in the tape is infinite. Whatever the string you have given, that is completed. So when you move the right, so my head is on the blank. So when the blank is blank, okay, replace with blank and move to left, and the value is accepting. It's moving to the left and this is your solution. Okay, and this equal number of zeros equal number of zeros and equal number of ones. Clear? So this is the example for the equal number of zeros and equal number of ones. So what we have done, once again I will explain. Example example 2 of TM, Turing machine, 0 power n, 1 power n. What is my input string? 0 0 0 1 1 1. I am taking this one. So what is my Q? A B C D. X is 0 1 and X Y. Y means, what is X? This is a tape. Whatever the values you are using in the tape, sorry, whatever the alphabets you are using in the tape, that you must mention in this X, and sigma is the input 0 or 1. Delta, whatever the operation we are performing here, that is a delta. This. Q0 is initial state is A, B is a blank, F is a accept, reject. Okay, accept and reject. And this is a state diagram for the given language. If you draw, whenever you will get the language, first you need to draw the deterministic state diagram. In the deterministic, as I told you again and again, I am telling, in the deterministic or any state diagram, if you did not mention the reject state, okay, as I told you in the tuple, we have the two state, one is the accept and another one is reject. If you did not mention the reject state, doesn't matter, automatically if it is not satisfied, automatically it will go to the reject state. If you did not shown that thing in the state diagram also, no problem, but compulsory you need to define the accept state. Okay, compulsory you need to draw the accept state. If you did not draw the reject state also, no problem. Like here in the A, if it is 0, then this condition is satisfying and it's going further. If the input symbol is 1, automatically it will go to some reject state. It will not go further. In the B, 0, Y, Y, this all are the things are there. If it is 1, it move to next, okay, and if it is 0, it will go the loop. It will change the same input value with the same alphabet, and it will move to right. Okay, so 1 is Y comma L. If the from the B, if it is going 1, then this Y, if Y is there, then it will move to the left. Okay, and next state is C. Here 0 of 0, changing 0 with 0 is moving left. If it is 0, then it is moving left. So here I will explain this one. 0, my head is 0. If it is 0, then it is changing with X and moving the head to the next. As it is mentioning here, move to right. The next is, if 0 is changing with the 0 and moving right. So this 0 is changing with 0. So because of that I did not change here, to you will get confused. Because of that 0 is replacing with the 0, same value is displaying here. Then again is moving next, same thing, 0 is replacing with 0, then again is moving to the next. If the value is 1, then it's moved to replace with Y and move to left. When it is moved to left, so the value is on 0. Okay, from the 0 on 0, move left, then again 0 on 0, move left. So at the last, when you reach here, the value will be x here. So x is replacing with x and getting right. When you move to right, the second rotation is going to start here. I am telling you for understanding purpose the rotation, but you will not find this kind of things. So whatever I am explaining you, you have to write in the note from the video. Then at the time of exam you can easily recall all the things. It is very difficult to see the videos before the exam. Whatever you are learning from the YouTube, from our channel, from our subject, you must write in notebook. At the time of exam, when you see your book, then you can easily understand. Okay, next is same procedure will follow this again and again, 1, 2, 3. When all the values, all the sigma input symbols is replaces with the tape symbols or tape alphabets like XXX, YYY, at the last, if the Y is there, it moves to the next state, that is called D. From the D, if it is Y, it will do the loop. How many Y's are there? How many Y's are there? Then if at the end, if it is find the blank state or alphabet, that will move to the accept state. This blank you can say alphabet symbol, but you cannot say this is the input of the sigma. Okay, you can say this is spatial symbol. Okay, so I hope you understand this. This problem is equal number of zeros and equal number of ones. We have taken the input string and we solve the problem. First we draw the state diagram, then we solve the using the tape. Whatever the operations are here, that we perform in the tape and we solve here. Okay, so this is the second example. Okay, in the coming class I will explain you example 3. Okay, example 3 is even palindrome. So this I will explain you in the next class. Thank you.